Hi, One Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to replace the batteries on your Nest Protect smoke detector. So in order to do this, if you have a hardwired smoke detector, go ahead and turn off the power at the circuit breaker to the smoke detector. You'll know that it's off if this little LED that is usually green is off. And if you have a battery powered smoke detector, you don't need to worry about taking the power off. Once you get the power off, all you need to do is go ahead and just rotate until this comes off. So sometimes you got to go both directions, but eventually if you go far enough, you'll feel it slide off there. Now, on the back of the wired version, you're going to have some wires right here, and all you need to do is make sure that you take that little clip out, you press down, and now you can pull the smoke detector off, and here we have it right here. Now, if you have the battery powered version, you don't need to worry about that. In order to replace the batteries on the Nest Protect, all you're going to do is there's a little push button on the back. You're just going to slide that up, and then it opens up a door to access the battery compartment. So we can see that here. The specific thing about this Nest smoke detector is that it uses lithium batteries, and you need to replace the batteries with lithium batteries. So I'm just going to pull one of these out. All you have to do is press down on the battery, and you can pull it out. And then you need to replace it with these ultimate lithium energizer batteries. That is what Nest recommends, but also because smoke detectors are designed to work with the batteries for 10 years or so, you really need to use these lithium batteries to ensure the proper operation. So we'll include a link to those below. Now, once you've got all the batteries removed and you want to replace the new batteries, all you're going to do is put them all the same direction. So the positive side goes towards the middle of the thermostat. You just go ahead and throw that in. You can throw in this next one, and you're going to throw in the next one on the outer side, and it's not going to fit all the way in. That's because there is a little spring toggle right here. So you put that one in, and then you put the middle one in, and you just push in, and it will force that third battery in. So that is how you replace the batteries to a Nest smoke detector. All you're going to do then is close the cover and make sure you hear that latch. So we've got that latched in. Now we're going to go reinstall this on the ceiling. So to reinstall the Nest Protect, first thing we're going to do is go ahead and reinsert that clip into the back of the Nest Protect. And now we're going to put the Nest Protect back on, align it with that plate that is on the ceiling, and then we're going to rotate till it makes a firm connection. So that is how you replace your Nest Protect batteries. Thank you for watching. If you want to support the channel, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, or click on any of the links below if you want to support us. Thank you.